everyone. This is level 3. So for those of you that started back with my Never Too Late lessons, congratulations. You've really absorbed a lot of material to make it to this level. I wanted to give you an idea of what I'm planning for this level. So I don't have as much material pre-recorded. Most of what you've seen so far is stuff that I recorded during the pandemic to help keep my students tap dancing while we were on lockdown. So my level 3s, I didn't do quite as much. So I have a few things, and then after that I'm going to have to start putting on my thinking cap and possibly recording some additional lessons for you as well. So start with the beginning of level 3. There's some fun little technique exercises that I'll have for you, and hopefully you'll enjoy them.